in Australia this year, there's ambitious plans for us to provide the community the things that they want to have in multiple areas and multiple formats of business. One of the things that we've done is look to go to where the businesses are. So Grand Plaza Mall is a great example where we went to a mall that is really busy, used a location that is on the rooftop, and really been able to work with the existing merchants to further their business and get them to places where they've in the past couldn't actually reach or get to. For example, in Grand Plaza, we have a sushi place, we have a Mediterranean place, we have a place that is all about healthy juices, and we can bring on additional vendors as and when the customer needs that type of product. So we have the opportunity to be at business places and actually integrate with them seamlessly. So this year in Australia, we're going to try to practice multiple different business models and understand different ways to satisfy the requirements of our partners and our customers, and in fact enable better quality of service to our customers.